Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's episode, I'm gonna show you a simple lentil curry. It is so hearty and incredibly easy to make. This is a recipe I'm certain you're gonna add up to your weekly menu plan, and especially if you're looking to adding more vegetarian recipes onto your menu. The bite is so delicious. So come along with me, let me show you how to make it. Start by washing up your rice till the water is clear. 2 to 3 times will be enough. This is to get rid of the excess starch. Make sure you drain it thoroughly to avoid having too much liquid while you're cooking. I'm using brown rice. You can use basmati if that's what you have. Place a cooking pot on fire, switch on your fire, add in your brown rice or basmati rice if that's what you're using, plus water. Here I'm using 2 cups of brown rice, which calls for 5 cups of water. Remember, the same measurement you used to measure the rice should be the same measurement you used to measure the liquid. Point to note, I normally use hot water whenever I'm cooking brown rice to fasten the process, because it could take between 40 to 60 minutes to cook. Remember to season with salt, stir, then cover the pot till it simmers. Once you see it simmering, it's time for you to reduce the heat to low or transfer it to a burner that is smaller, which has less heat, to allow the rice steam. As the rice is cooking, let's prepare the lentil curry. The lentil of choice today is the red lentil. It takes so little time to cook. You don't need to pre-soak it. All you need to do is wash it thoroughly till that foamy layer you can see on top clears, till you get clear water. Also, prep the other ingredients, that is 2 onions, 10 garlic cloves. Remember, I'm using 1 kg of red lentil. Mince your ginger, cut your dania stems and the dania leaves and put aside, and puree 4 tomatoes. Another cooking pot on the stove top, switch on your fire, then put a 1/4 cup of cooking oil. Allow the oil to heat up, then add in your diced onions and saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Next up, add your minced garlic and ginger and cilantro stems. Saute for about 2 minutes. In goes the spices. We are using cumin, coriander, cardamom, turmeric, garam masala, smoked paprika. Stir everything till well combined and cook for about a minute. Next up, add the pureed tomatoes and a tablespoon of tomato paste. Stir and saute for about 3 to 4 minutes while covered till you see the oil floating on top or separating from the tomatoes. Remember to season with some sea salt. In goes the red lentils that have already been washed. Then the coconut milk and water. Stir everything, then bring to a boil. Turn the heat to medium. Cover and allow to simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Remember to check the curry once in a while to avoid sticking on the bottom of the pan. Check on your rice, remember to fluff a little bit, then you switch off the fire, cover and let the steam finish cooking up the rice. At this point, the curry is ready to be enjoyed. Obviously, it's best served with rice, although you can still serve it up with some chapati or some mashed potatoes. Remember to garnish with some cilantro or dania leaves and enjoy. I'm telling you, the moment you try this combination of this curry and the rice, you're gonna fall in love with it. I hope you get to try it. Let me know in the comment section below once you do, how it comes out and how you enjoy it. Also remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who would definitely love a lentil curry. See you on the next one.